how are you? My name is Georgie Bowles, and this is our God. My God is greater, my God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. My God is healer, awesome in power. My God. And if our God is for us, who could ever stop us? And if my God is with us, who can stand against? And if our God is for us, who could ever stop us? And my God is with us, who can stand against? Who can stand against? And here's my favorite part, da 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 da, no one.